Hey folks, it's Mark from the Safe House. I always like to show you new products. So this is a new product that Browning Pro Steel has for 2025, and it's the new HAWG Deluxe. So we have the standard HAWG over here to my left, and this is the new HAWG Deluxe. So let me show you some of the differences in the two. There's quite a bit of difference. Still the same HAWG, just with a different dress on it. So with the standard HAWG, of course, you can get it in two different colors, but this is the hammered gray electronic lock 3-spoke handle. It's got the 80-minute, 1,550-degree fire test. If you did it at 1,200, like a lot of the other safe companies do, it's a 95-minute fire rating. Then you have the 1-inch pry-stop bolts on 3 sides of the door. You've got the Axis interior that Browning's known for, adjustable shelves. And in this safe, you can't see the pistol rack, but I'll show you on here in just a second. So this is the standard HAWG 49, which is basically a sporter series. But the new 49 Deluxe, you've got different styling on the door, kind of like the 1878 series. You've got the round handle, and you still have the secure ram electronic lock. So the biggest difference in it, other than the styling I just showed you, is you're going to get the scope pockets on the door, and you can see, light kit. So you can see inside the safe, and just a little different styling, pockets, lights. So that's the difference in the new HAWG 49 Deluxe with Browning. If you have any questions about this safe or any other Browning safe, you can give one of our 3 locations a call or go to our website, which is thesafehouse.com.